What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Radicle, which has pumped up in value 23% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.85. So as you can see, earlier today it did go for an increase in value, hitting $1.88 or even $1.92, sorry, drop back down, and right now pumping back up in value. So we're going to try and cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or is it just time to hold on to it, as it has been very volatile, but as you can clearly see, it has been moving more towards the positive direction rather than the negative side. So yeah, essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and especially going into 2023, is Radicle a must-have crypto next year, and how far can it go essentially? So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market has not moved much over the last 24 hours. As you can see, no major increases or decreases in value, and Bitcoin is still trading at $16,000, which is not looking too good. But obviously, Radicle is one of the top gainers, or the top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Coinbase. So in the last hour, it has gained a massive 8% in value in a single hour. Over the last day, 22%. Over the week, 17%. And we can see it hitting over $2.35 last week, 17th of December. And as you can see, gone for a 50% increase. Dropped all the way back down to 146, and right now trading at 185. And over the month, it has up an overall 25%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by nearly 500% in the last 24 hours, making it $47 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Radicle. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it has been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype recently, meaning more and more people will be investing into the crypto, and we are going to see more sellers as well taking out their profits. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Radicle, which at the moment is $1.65 here in purple. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value in red, $1.82, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here the blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall minimal increase in value on Radicle, potentially heading to just under the $2 mark is what I'm expecting. However, it's not going to be a consistent increase in value. We are going to see dips in between, just like what happened earlier today. Pumped up in value, dropped back down, and right now pumping back up again. So yes, I'm expecting it to drop down to about 160, 170 before it jumps back up near about 190, 195 is where I'm expecting it to be trading towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking bullish. Again, they're not looking too steep, which means it is realistic. So guys, it is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming days. So by mid next week, so let's say towards the end of the year, we should be expecting Radicle to be trading around the $2 mark. And again, guys, just because we're seeing positive lines here, the blue and the green line, sorry, the blue and the orange line, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major increase or a massive pump or anything like that. We need to take into consideration the drops that take place in between then as well, obviously. Just because we've got bullish lines, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. But what I'm talking about is the overall outcome at this point. It seems to be more on the positive direction. But again, it is going to be a minimal increase in value heading towards around the $2, $2.05 target. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're still looking bullish, still looking positive. Again, we're not looking as steep as the previous two charts, but again, that's what we want to see, a slow and steady increase in value, and that is exactly what the graph is showing us. So by this time we'll be in 2023, so late January to mid-February, we should expect an overall increase in value on Radicle, and again, heading to about $2.40, $2.50 is what I'm expecting Radicle to be trading at towards the end of January and early February as well. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs. Obviously, with any major crashes, major drops, major pumps even, it can go either way. Anything like that will have a major impact, not just on Radicle, but the whole crypto market in general. But anything like that, if I do predict such thing, then I will try and keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But again, there isn't much we can do here. Only reason for that is we've got a long way to go for us to hit the resistance target here, which is $38.06, and at the moment we are trading at $1.83. So yeah, it's going to require us to go for a major increase in value around 1,000, 2,000. I can't do the maths right now, but yeah, it's going to be in its thousands of percentage increase, which again is very unlikely to take place anytime soon. For the next few years even, it's likely for it to trade in the green zone. Sorry, not the green zone, the red zone over here at the bottom, but that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as it slowly and steadily starts to move in a positive direction, heading up, we should be good to go. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Radicle, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high or how low do you guys expect Radicle to go in 2023? Are you guys investing into it? Are you guys looking to sell it, or are you guys just holding on to it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around Radicle. So comment down below, guys. And if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me also know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Or if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to focus on a regular basis, let me also know, and I'll do that for you guys as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.